In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see everyone on Zoom, launch Gallery View. If you've ever felt like you're only catching one person at a time during a meeting, this quick walkthrough will help you switch to a layout that shows everyone in a clean grid. It's perfect for classes, team stand-ups, or any time you want to read the room at a glance. Start with your Zoom call window open on your computer. In the top right corner of that window, you'll see a button labeled View. Move your mouse toward that area if you don't see it right away. Zoom sometimes hides controls until your cursor is near them. Click View, and from the small menu that appears, select Gallery. That's it. As soon as you choose Gallery, Zoom arranges participant videos into tiles so you can see everyone at once, rather than highlighting a single speaker. After you switch, you'll notice the grid automatically adjusts to fit as many participants as your screen can comfortably display. The exact number of tiles you see depends on your display size and your computer's resolution. If more people join, Zoom reshapes the layout so everyone fits in a tidy, balanced view. This makes it easy to spot reactions, keep track of who's present, and stay engaged with the whole group. There's nothing else you need to configure. You don't need special permissions, and this works in regular meetings. If you ever want to go back to a different layout, just return to the same View button and choose another option. Zoom will often remember your preference, so if you like Gallery View, it may come back automatically the next time you join a meeting on the same device. If the grid looks a little crowded, try maximizing your Zoom window to give those tiles more room. A larger window can increase the number of participants that fit comfortably without shrinking the videos too much. Also, keep in mind that your internet connection and computer performance can influence how smoothly the videos play, but the layout itself is handled by Zoom for you. And there you go. Click View, choose Gallery, and you'll be able to see all participants in a simple tile view, as many as your screen can fit. It's a small change that makes a big difference in how connected you feel during your calls. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next meeting with everyone on screen.